This is a 2019 Ford Ranger XLT SuperCrew blue over gray interior. Our windows, locks, and mirrors. Cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone. Automatic transmission, traction control, USBs for your phone. There's the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 2.3 liter ecoboost engine, so it's fuel efficient and has power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.